Today I just picked up a new heat gun, so I'll be showing you the steps in restoring the colour to your plastic bumper using a heat gun this time, and this video will be specifically for restoring the colour to your bumper. To remove the rear bumper, we've got 4 screws along the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another screw up in here, the wheel arch, same on both sides. We have another bolt up in there, one just there which mine doesn't have, and then another one the same as this one, but on the other side. Now with the bumper off, we just want to give it a quick brush down, get rid of any dust and dirt that's just sitting on top, because what we're actually doing is melting the powdered and oxidized plastic on the outside here. That's why it's white, and what we want to do is actually melt those little bits of oxidized plastic, and that's what will bring back the nice colour. So we don't want any of these little bits of dirt and things like that on it, because if they're on there, then the dirt will get melted onto it, and we don't want that.